And we're back mga kada. Alam mo ba dito sa onstage may bisita tayo na mula sa weddings, corporate gigs, hanggang sa streets at cafes, hatid niya ang good vibes, energy at talentong nakakabilib talaga. At ngayon, siguradong magpapakilig din siya sa atin mga kada sa onstage.
Yes, to sing Runaway by The Corrs, mga kada. Let's give it up for Pat Lorenzo.
Say it's true. There's nothing like me and you. Not alone. Tell me you feel it too, and I will run away. I will run away. Yeah. I will run away. I will run away with you. 'Cause I fallen in love. Wait, no, never. Hey, I'm never gonna stop falling in love with you. Close the door, lay down upon the floor, and by candlelight, make love to me through the night. 'Cause I have run away. I have run away. Yeah. I have run away, run away. I have run away with you. 'Cause I fallen in love. Wait, no, never. Hey, I'm never gonna stop falling in love with you. With you. With you. Thank you so much.
Hi, Pat! Good morning!
Good morning, Miss Via and Miss Jasmine. And good morning din sa ating mga kakada. Ayan.
Kamusta ka naman, Pat?
Okay naman po. Okay naman ngayong umaga.
Ganda-ganda
Thank
ni
you.
Pat. I
Salamat
love your
po.
outfit.
Thank you so much.
Ngayon, Pat, magchikahan tayo. Paano ba nagsimula yung career mo sa musika at kailan mo na-realize na gusto mo talaga yung singing career mo?
I see. Nagsimula po yun nung high school. Kaya syempre nung high school, uso yung mga clubs, yung mga ganyan. I've been with some of my friends na musician. Pero yung parents ko talaga, we are a family of musician. Pero hindi ko alam nung high school na marunong pala akong kumanta. So nung high school ko lang na-figure out na yun. Tapos after nun, I joined some communities and all. Dun ako mas naging talamak sa pagtugtog sa iba't ibang lugar, and I also met some musician friends na nakatulong sa growth ko in terms of music.
Oh, wow.
Wow,
So
that's
music
nice.
was always a part of your life.
Ata, opo.
It was always a part of your life. And the question, for me, I have a question because kanina in your intro, we mentioned how you gave up a 10-year corporate job experience, which is a really big risk to
Yeah.
go into the music industry. What was the moment for you that made you realize, like, I want to make this my career talaga? Because, of course, it's hard to pursue your passion, right?
Actually yan, being a breadwinner of the family as well, medyo mahirap i-take risk yung bagay na gusto mo. Pero siguro that is one thing I learned in life na may mga bagay ka talagang kaya mong i-give up for the sake of prioritizing your mental health and all.
Yes.
Oh, I
that's
love that
really-
message.
Pero di ko naman kino-close yung sarili ko na sooner or later na babalik ako ng corporate. Pero siguro at least kung mawala man ikaw sa mundo, meron ka isang desisyon sa buhay mo na ginawa mo para sa'yo.
That's very nice. And
Yeah.
ikaw naman ba, Pat? Kasi nasabi natin kanina, ang dami mong mga ganap sa wedding, sa mga streets,
Events.
nagbabasking ka rin. Yeah, events. Alin ba dito yung mga ginagawa mo na naging paborito mo talaga at ano yung pinaka-memorable mo na memory about it?
Actually, everything about music is my favorite. Kasi you're sharing your passion sa mga tao and nagiging part ka. Like for example, birthdays, weddings, nagiging part ka ng special memory nila sa buhay. And at the same time, sa busking, yung mga napadaan lang, minsan malungkot sila or minsan masaya sila, tapos nakaka-relate sila sa music mo.
Yes.
Nakaka-connect ako sa tao using the things that I love. Yan.
That's very nice. At ito naman bang pagbabasking mo, Pat? Matagal ka na ba nag-try nito or dito ka din nagsimula talaga sa pagkanta?
Actually, siguro mga 2 years ako nagbabusking. Pero nauna ako sa mga yung mga events po.
And because your music is very chill, very, very relaxing talaga. What is your favorite genre of music that you like to specialize? And if ever, like any musical influences?
Okay, so genre of music, as you can see, hindi po talaga ako beretera. Ayan, pero ang pinaka-paborito ko po, mga folk pop songs.
Yes.
And also jazz, yan. Ilan sa mga forte ko. Kasi medyo mahirap siyang tugtugin pag soloista ka kasi marami siyang chords. Kaya, yun, hopefully, since this is the start of na nagsisimula po ako na i-build yung music career ko talaga, sana magawa ko siya and magkaroon ako ng platform to do that.
At mangyayari talaga yan.
Salamat.
Pat. Ngayon nga, pinapanood ka na ng ating mga kada sa
Thank you
national
po.
TV. At di malabo yan. At eto na yung last question ko sa'yo, Pat. Ano ba yung pangarap ni Pat Lorenzo?
Ang pangarap ko, siguro, na-realize ko lang being with corporates and also doing the things that I love, maging masaya lang. Yun, nasa bawat desisyon na gagawin ko, wala akong maapakang ibang tao and at the same time, masaya ako dun sa career na pinupursu ko.
I
so
love it. And
nice.
you know, I really relate to your story because for me, my story, I came from Canada. I also gave up a corporate job just to pursue my passion, which is this creative industry. So I really applaud you and I love your message where you
Thank
said
you.
to focus on yourself. Sometimes it's more fulfilling to focus on yourself.
Totoo yun. I
Yes,
love that.
love it.
Eto nga kami ni Jazz. Kasi nandito ka naman kasama namin, Pat. Hindi namin pinapalampas. May mga pa-challenge kami para sa inyong mga kada at sa ating mga bisita. At since ikaw ay tumutugtog na sa iba't ibang crowd, ang challenge namin for you ay Piano Mo 5. Ang ating pianist na si Kuya Chris ang magpi-play ng music and then i-guess mo yung title ng song and then pag nahulaan mo na, kakantahin mo yung chorus na part.
Okay po.
Game?
Game.
Game, okay. Kuya Chris, first song.
Para sa akin by City Navarro.
Oh, may sagot siya para sa akin.
Tama po ba?
May sagot. Ano sagot? Ano sagot?
Para sa akin by City Navarro.
Wow! Now it's your time to sing.
Di kita pipilitin o sundin mo pa iyong damdamin. Hayaan na lang tumibok ang puso mo. Para sa akin.
Wow! Grabe yung hugot song natin ngayon. At dahil dyan, meron pa kaming isang song.
Isa pa.
Kuya Chris, pa-play ng feel-good song natin dyan.
Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko by Ray Valera.
Wow! Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, bye!
Ray Valera.
Wow! Now it's your time to sing. Correct.
Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangarap.
Galing!
So
Parang wala talaga tayong ipapahula kay Pat na hindi niya alam.
Yes.
Ang galing-galing ni Pat. Thank you
Yes,
so
thank you
much,
so much,
Pat.
and Jasmine.
Thank you for being with us today, and especially Gurnace mo yung Kada Umaga Show. Saan ka ba pwede ma-follow ng ating mga kada?
Ayan, so you can follow me sa aking pong social media pages at @patlorenzo_. Meron po akong Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And kung makita nyo po ako sa mga malls out there, pwede nyo rin po akong itag. Ayan, so see you po mga kakada at magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Thank you po, Bea and
Thank you,
Jasmine.
Pat.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.